Yobhanation, hi guys, and welcome to a new vlog. Let us open a new vlog, guys. If you come across this channel for the first time, my name is Yobha, my surname is Makazi. I hope you decide to stay by subscribing and join the rest of our family. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. I thank you so much. This channel is nothing without you. Kesana. Hi guys. Hi to all 5,000 of you guys. I am so humbled. I am so overwhelmed by your love and support. Guys, on this channel, we do not skip ads. We watch the ads on this channel. Today it is a Saturday, and Sana, I am in my Dabawo area. Ulitemba are here from Eastern Cape. They came to visit. It is school holidays. Ulitemba is my brother's child, guys. On the previous vlog, many people were asking, who is Litemba? I've got a younger brother, Umzwonke. Has he ever been on this channel? I don't think so. But ngumntana wakhe lo who came to visit. Also on my Makazi era, Lumis Wapiwe, they are also here for school holidays. So now what I want to do, I just bought Ulitemba, so I want to take him to have a haircut. So that is what we're going to be doing right now. Let's go accompany Ulitemba to have his haircut. This is Litemba. Hi.
Hi.
Njani?
Njani?
Yaphilu njani? Guys, Ulitemba, you won't believe. I bought this toy for Ulitemba, I think last week when I heard they are coming. I gave Ulitemba this toy yesterday, and the toy is like this now. I wonder how are gonna be these holidays. Let's go have a haircut. Iti bye.
Bye.
In.
Fully garage them.
Fully garage. Sofa up. Sofa. Sofa.
Which car are you driving, Auntie?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Think some safety belt again. Ah, Temba wavali garage. Hey.
Yeah. Bye, Litemba. Bye bye.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me if it's true, what you wanna do. You can be my bitch, I'll do home. You can give me extra grand, baby.
He's a jungle Dabawo. In my era ke sana yokuba nguMakazi and also uDabawo, look at uLithemba.
And
Lithemba is
and also
forever
to be
busy.
and also to be Uma.
Oh, and also I shouldn't forget that I am a mother to Ulutobo. Alrighty. Which means I am in my era as uDabawo, era as Umama, and era as Umakazi. Let me introduce to you Uluminati formally, because she also has some channels. Luminati,
Hello.
how are you?
Good, thanks, and how are you?
Good, good. What is your channel name?
My WhatsApp channel's name is Lumi's Field of Dreams.
Oh, that's nice. What do you do there?
Oh, I share positivity and every good activity I do.
Oh my God. I'm
And
following
Bible
that channel.
verses.
And
Bible verses.
Bible verses. What Bible verse can you give us now?
Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to make you prosper.
Oh my God. So nice. So you're also coming to YouTube soon? Ne?
Yes,
Makazi is
soon,
gonna
soon.
create you your own YouTube channel.
Yes.
Maz, please come say hi to my vlog.
Hi,
Yobhanation. Subscribe to Dabawo's channel.
And Makazi sizofakela Ulumi i-channel, i-YouTube channel.
Hi, Lumi. Now it's YouTube channel. Hi, Mercy.
So guys, I'm leaving them. Kumakazi, good luck to her. Yo, they are a handful.
Kanjani uhlupho?
Yo,
Intombi endala
guys,
yona.
yo.
Ithi ndisaya
Bye bye Dabawo.
Ithi ndisaya mall.
Maka papa isu Lithemba.
Ithi bye bye Dabawo. Papa isa Dabawo.
Bye bye Lithemba. Eh? Oh my God, Ngolo. Bye bye. Bye Lithemba. Bye bye. Bye. Hi guys, it is still a Saturday and umntu uzifumana enxibe ngolu hlobo because my husband told me about Umgidi and we never thought we were gonna go attend. And now what time is it? Time, it is 3 p.m. guys. It is only now we are preparing to go to Umgidi. I don't even know where Umgidi is, but I'm trying to wear this duke from Saved Makoti's stuff duke. So nice guys. I'm trying, although I'm struggling. I'm looking at Saved Makoti's tutorial that she uploaded last week. I think with that tutorial I'm gonna try and have a nice duke. I hope I don't disappoint her. The fit of the day obviously is from Unokzola. Yeah, like the mbato, everything, like, because it's a dress. And Naveta, this is from Unokzola. My slides are from Foshini. And obviously the duke, it is from Saved Makoti. Let's go to Umgidi, guys.
You're mine for sure.
Sure, Saved Makoti. Yeah, I wish you can be here so that you can do a tutorial. It was why I watched the vlog last week already, when it went live, and I was like, this is easy, I will do it. Now, where is the easy? Where is here, guys? I'm even sweating because of the duke. Hi, son. But is it bad if I just rock in like this? It's not bad, guys. It's not bad at all. They will think it's a style, can't sana. I can't do the duke. I can't do the duke. Yeah. Okay, all right. Okay. But what is wrong about it?
I don't want it. I don't know how wrong with it. It is the truth indeed. We got 5,000 breasts to give.
Guys, I am deciding to leave this duke like this, honestly. This should make a very grand statement. We are late already, so this should do. And yes, guys, where are we going?
Kruger stop.
Let's go to Kruger stop. I'm mad.
This guy. I'll go there, but I'm going Hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. Sana, we came back so late yesterday. It was so nice. Umgidi. It was my first time attending Umgidi. Was a goal, guys. It's just the unfortunate part we arrived so late. But okay, yeah. So guys, today it is a Sunday and I just want to run some errands. Guys, I need to do my nails. It's bad. I need to do my hair. It's bad, but I want to prioritize Dabawo's photo shoot. Dabawo will be turning 7, so I want to take her to have a photo shoot for that 7th birthday. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing today. Holidays is abantwana. That's what she said. I'm wearing my dress. You guys know this dress. I got it from Wow Fashion. Let me show you. Hi, Sisi. Say hi to Yobhanation.
Hi, Yobhanation.
What are you doing today?
Today I'm going to take pictures
Hi, Wena. For what?
for my birthday.
Yo, guys, my daughter's hair is messed up. We're gonna via a salon so that Auntie Marcia will see. I just want the edges and then she renews the curls. Kobo, we love your dress. Move back. We want to see the whole outfit. Move back because Daddy is still sleeping, so I don't want to show the bed. Move back again. Again. Thank you. So, where did you get the dress from?
I don't know. My mom just bought it.
Ah, this
From
dress.
Shein.
Yes, last year. This was your Christmas dress from Shein. And your shoes.
I don't know.
My God, I also don't remember where I bought these shoes. So, yeah.
And then go get a Zaita Makazi utafuteka.
Hayibo uyathuka na ulitem. Mbize zapha, mbize. Uyagesa. Oh dada masikushiye ke sana usalele unjalo. Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel.
Hi birthday girl. Hi birthday girl.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up
How many?
Go in front.
sweet love. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Oh, she's so excited.
With balloon.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Your 2K is finished, ne?
Ah.
Yes. You see these balloons, they're very expensive. 2K
Okay.
finished. It's 2,000.
1,000 for the balloons and 1,000 for number 7.
Are you ready for your photo shoot?
I'm not because my cookie is gone.
I'm joking. It's still there. These costed 300. So 300 subtract 2K. How much is left? 1,700. So,
But I still want my 2K back.
oh, wagalog, when you use, you subtract. Thank you. Ah, thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Auntie. What's your business name?
It's the balcony views, baby.
Sunny Park.
Sunny Park Shopping Center, 3rd floor, opposite Kepi Tech.
That's
Yeah. This is my boy Sam.
How are you, Sam? Sam doesn't want to trend. 130 subscribers.
What the heck? What's happening?
Say thank you.
Thank you, guys. Now I can see you guys. You do love me. You do. You don't love Yobha anymore. Like only with 2 vlogs, guys. Thanks. I see now you love me.
Ay, with your
Can you join us up here and say, guys?
no. Come tell us what's happening tomorrow on your birthday. Come.
Tomorrow, we're going to go to Turtle Ninja. After Turtle Ninja, Mama wants to tell you after Ukuja, see your swimmer. After Ugu swimmer, see cake. After eat cake, ice cream. After eat ice cream, party packs. After party packs, all that time, our dancing. Then all that time, sing the call. Abazu, all that abazu brai.
Hi, Bo. With how much? Iphelile kaloku 2K yakho ndiyisebenzisile yaphe.
Not mama yaposa.
Ayiphelile 2K.
Sisifombo.
Ayiyanyuka le 2K. Jonga nini, I'm joking, isekhona 2K ne?
And Goku, asizubraya anywhere. Sizobraya.
Hi, when Bina, show us your nails. Hi, Bo. The last vlog you were crying. Daddy didn't want you to do nails. Show them your nails. And you also did your what?
My feet.
All right. See you tomorrow on your birthday.
Now I feel like I'll buy one second vlog.
I also did my nails.
Today.
Yeah, they're coming to fetch me from doing my nails.
Thanks for subscribing, guys.
With that soon.
I know. Like few weeks, I'm gonna get to 600 subscribers. I'm sure.
Hi, Wen. That's nice. Yobhanation, thank you guys for watching this vlog up until this far. They just came to fetch me from work. I went past to do them nails. See you guys on the next one. I really appreciate your love. I really appreciate the interaction on the comment section. We are officially on a road to what, guys? Some are saying 6K, some are saying 7K, some are saying we are shooting straight to 10K. Tell me on the comment section, what are we on the road to? Love and appreciate you kakulu, guys. Bye.